Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to simplify your iPhone. Simplifying your iPhone is a great way to achieve a minimal look, cleaner features, and smoother usage that can improve your overall experience. And here are the easy steps to simplify your iPhone and make it cleaner and easier to use. First is to delete apps you don't use via Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Tap an app that you don't use and hit the Delete app. Enable Offload Unused Apps via Settings again, Apps, App Store, and turn it on. Organize apps into folders on the home screen. Remove extra home screen pages by long pressing the home screen. Tap the page dots on the lower center, then uncheck pages you don't need, then tap on Done in the top right corner. Use the app library instead of multiple screens. Reduce notifications via Settings, Notifications, tap on App, then turn off unnecessary app alerts. Enable Scheduled Summary. In the same notification settings, find Scheduled Summary and toggle it on. Simplify widgets. Remove unused widgets and keep only important ones. Turn on Reduce Motion. On Accessibility, find Motion, Reduce Motion, and turn it on. Turn on Reduce Transparency. Via Settings again, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then turn on Reduce Transparency. Use focus modes to limit distractions via Settings again, then Focus. Disable Background App Activity via Settings again, General, Background App Refresh, then choose Wi-Fi. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.